Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Eufyhome is probably one of the most sought-after brands in the smart home security market, offering a compelling blend of advanced features, user-friendly design, and competitive pricing that makes it a top contender for homeowners looking to enhance their security and convenience without breaking the bank. And today we're diving deep into what makes Eufyhome stand out from the crowd and whether it's the right choice for your connected living space. Number 5. EUFY Security Indoor Cam E220 Cam Kit. Our advanced AI intelligently detects humans and pets. This means it only records when something important happens, saving you time and storage. Experience crystal clear visuals with up to 2K resolution. You can see exactly what's happening inside your home, ensuring you never miss a moment. Easily connected with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa. Enjoy complete control over your home security using just your voice. When motion is detected, it automatically tracks the moving object. Its pan and tilt feature provides a full 360 degrees view, covering every corner of your room. With built-in two-way audio, you can speak directly to anyone near the camera. Stay connected and communicate instantly, no matter where you are. What we like. This kit offers advanced AI detection for relevant recordings, ensuring you only capture important events. Its 2K clarity and pan and tilt feature provide comprehensive room coverage. If you're looking for a smart, integrated indoor security solution that works with voice assistants and offers detailed monitoring, this is a great choice. What people say. The Eufyhome camera has excellent night vision, allowing clear visibility even in complete darkness. Setup was incredibly simple, taking less than 5 minutes to get the camera connected and operational. The motion detection is highly accurate, effectively distinguishing between pets and people to reduce false alerts. Number 4. EUFY Security Indoor Cam E220. This smart camera intelligently detects humans and pets. It only records when something important happens, saving you time and storage. Experience crystal clear visuals with up to 2K resolution. You can see exactly what's happening inside your home, day or night. Easily connected with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa. Enjoy complete control over your home security system. When motion is detected, it automatically tracks moving objects. Its pan and tilt feature provides a full 360 degrees view of any room. With built-in two-way audio, you can speak in real time to anyone near the camera. Stay connected and in control from anywhere. Enjoy clear visibility even in low light conditions. This camera ensures you don't miss anything, even after dark. What we like. This camera provides 2K clarity and 360 degrees coverage with its pan and tilt capabilities, ensuring no blind spots. It also features AI detection for humans and pets, along with motion tracking. If you need a versatile indoor camera that can monitor pets or children and offers smart integration, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Eufyhome system is incredibly easy to set up and use, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. I love the sleek and modern design of the Eufyhome devices, they blend seamlessly with my home decor. The Eufyhome app provides a comprehensive overview of my home security, and I can control everything remotely. Number 3. EUFY RoboVac 11S Max. Introducing a robot vacuum with a super slim profile. It cleans your home powerfully yet quietly, so you can use it anytime without disturbance. Enjoy up to 100 minutes of continuous cleaning on hard floors. Its powerful suction ensures a thorough clean, all at a surprisingly low noise level. With advanced Boost IQ technology, it automatically increases suction power when it detects thicker carpets. This ensures optimal cleaning performance on all your floor types. This smart device is designed with your home in mind. It features anti-scratch protection, sensors to avoid obstacles and drops, and conveniently recharges itself. Control is easy with the included remote and on-device buttons. It's designed for straightforward operation, focusing on delivering a great clean. Its unique single-side brush design prevents dirt from scattering. This allows it to focus all its suction power for a truly effective clean. What we like. This robot vacuum boasts a super thin profile and quiet operation, making it ideal for cleaning under furniture and at any time without disturbance. Its powerful suction handles various floor types effectively. If you desire a discreet and efficient cleaning companion for your home, especially if noise is a concern, this model is a strong contender. What people say. The Eufyhome app is very intuitive and easy to navigate, making it simple to control all your EUFY devices from one place. The Eufyhome system integrates seamlessly with other smart home devices, allowing for convenient automation and control. Eufyhome offers a wide range of customizable settings, enabling users to tailor their smart home experience to their specific needs and preferences. Number 2. EUFY Security Indoor Cam C120. Our advanced AI distinguishes between humans and pets, ensuring it only records significant events. This intelligent approach saves you time and storage space. Experience every moment in stunning 2K clarity. You'll be able to see exactly what's happening inside your home with incredible detail. Communicate instantly with anyone near the camera. Its built-in two-way audio allows for real-time conversations, no matter where you are. Easily connected with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa. Enjoy complete control over your home security through your preferred voice assistant. Keep watch over any room, day or night. Its advanced night vision provides a clear view even in the dimmest lighting conditions. Receive immediate notifications for audio and motion detection. Stay informed about any activity within your home the moment it happens. What we like. This plug-in security camera delivers crisp 2K resolution with excellent night vision for clear monitoring day and night. It also includes two-way audio for real-time communication. If you need a reliable indoor camera with smart alerts and easy setup, this is a fantastic choice for keeping an eye on your home. What people say. The Eufyhome has a very clear picture quality, even at night. The motion detection is accurate and customizable, reducing false alerts. Installation was straightforward and the app is user-friendly. Number 1. EUFY Security eufyCam C220 Cam Kit. Experience seamless integration with your Apple smart home devices. It's designed for effortless use within the Apple ecosystem, offering a great subscription-free security solution. This outdoor camera is built to withstand any weather condition with its IP67 weatherproof rating. You can rely on its year-round performance for your home security. Enjoy all the features without any hidden costs. This security camera operates without requiring any monthly fees, saving you money. Benefit from an incredible 180-day battery life on just one charge. This provides extended, low-maintenance security monitoring for your wireless outdoor cameras. Intelligent human detection accurately identifies people using body shape and face patterns. This enhances your security measures for a robust, fee-free home security system. Capture every detail with stunning 1080p HD resolution. Enjoy clear and crisp video footage, day or night, thanks to advanced night vision capabilities. Receive alerts only when motion is detected, reducing unnecessary notifications. This smart system ensures you're informed about relevant activity around your home. What we like. This wireless outdoor camera kit offers 1080p HD clarity and an impressive 180-day battery life, providing long-term, hassle-free security. It's also IP67 weatherproof and requires no monthly fees. If you're looking for a robust, low-maintenance outdoor security solution with excellent value and seamless integration into your Apple ecosystem, this is the one. What people say. The camera has a very clear picture and the night vision is excellent. The motion detection is very accurate and I haven't had any false alarms. The battery life is amazing, I only have to charge it once every few months. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.